Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of using shaders in Java, specifically with the popular opengl binding library, lwjgl, lightweight Java game library. Shaders are small programs that run on the GPU, allowing for advanced rendering techniques and effects. What are shaders? Shaders are written in a language called glsl, opengl shading language, and come in two main types. 1. Vertex shaders. These handle the processing of vertex data. They transform vertex positions and can pass data to the next stage in the pipeline. 2. Fragment shaders. These handle the processing of pixel data. They determine the color of each pixel that is rendered. Setting up lwjgl. Before we start coding shaders, ensure you have lwjgl set up in your Java project. You can download it from the lwjgl website, https://www.lwjgl.org. Follow the instructions to set it up in your IDE, example IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse. Example, basic shader program. 1. Vertex shader, vertex_shader.glsl. 2. Fragment shader, fragment_shader.glsl. 3. Java code to use shaders. Here's a simple example of a Java program that uses lwjgl to create a window and render a triangle using the shaders we defined above. Explanation of the code. 1. Initialization. We initialize glfw and create a window. OpenGL capabilities are created to allow us to use OpenGL functions. 2. Shader compilation. We read the shader source from files, compile them, and link them into a shader program. 3. Vertex array object, VAO. We create a VAO to store our vertex data and bind it. 4. Rendering loop. In the loop, we clear the screen, use our shader program, bind the VAO, and draw the triangle. 5. Cleanup. We delete the created OpenGL resources and terminate glfw when done. Running the example. 1. Make sure you have vertex_shader.glsl and fragment_shader.glsl in the same directory as your Java file or adjust the file paths accordingly. 2. Compile and run the Java program. You should see a window displaying an orange triangle. Conclusion. This tutorial gives you a basic understanding of how to use shaders in Java with lwjgl. You can expand on this by experimenting with different shader programs, adding textures, lighting, and more complex geometries. Shaders are a powerful tool in graphics programming, enabling a vast range of visual effects and optimizations.